Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mops for hardwood floors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning by CL Dream. This mop stands out with its impressive 800 milliliter water tank, the largest in this lineup, which means fewer refills and more uninterrupted cleaning. Its ergonomic handle and anti-leakage design ensure ease of use, and the 360-degree swivel mop head makes it perfect for reaching tricky corners, under furniture, and even cleaning walls and windows. The mop comes with 2 types of washable pads, allowing for both wet and dry cleaning, which adds versatility. However, despite its innovative features, CL Dream's build leaves room for improvement. While the aluminum handle is lightweight, the plastic mop head feels less durable compared to other options on this list. Performance-wise, the mop delivers consistent results, but the large water tank can make it slightly bulky when maneuvering tight spaces. That said, the microfiber pads excel at picking up dirt and dust, leaving floors clean without streaks. This mop is ideal for consumers who prioritize convenience and frequent large area cleaning, thanks to its large water tank and dual cleaning functionality. On the downside, the price is not listed, making it harder to assess its value proposition. Overall, it's a solid choice for those seeking a versatile mop, but it's not the most premium option in terms of build quality. At number 4, we have the MEXERRIS Wet Mop. This mop offers exceptional value with 5 machine-washable microfiber pads and 2 refillable anti-leakage bottles, allowing you to use different cleaning solutions for various flooring types. The mop's 360-degree swivel head makes cleaning under furniture and tight corners effortless, while its lightweight stainless steel handle ensures durability. The included multifunction scraper is a thoughtful addition for removing dirt and debris from the pads after use. In terms of performance, the MEXERRIS mop is highly effective at picking up pet hair, dust, and grime, making it a great option for households with pets or kids. The spray mechanism is responsive, providing even coverage without soaking the floors. However, the mop's design could use some refinement. While functional, the Velcro attachment for the pads feels less secure compared to other mops in this category. Additionally, the bottles require careful cleaning to prevent leaks over time. This mop is ideal for budget-conscious consumers who want versatility and durability without breaking the bank. It's perfect for everyday messes and quick cleanups, though it may not be as premium or polished as higher-end options. Overall, it delivers solid performance and value for its price point. Coming in at number 3 is the Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. Bona is a trusted name in hardwood floor care, and this mop lives up to the brand's reputation. It features an extra-large mop head that cleans 40% faster than competitors, making it ideal for large spaces. The included microfiber cleaning pad is machine washable up to 500 times, and the mop comes with Bona's hardwood floor cleaner solution, which leaves floors streak-free and residue-free. The build quality is excellent, with a durable yet lightweight design that includes a secondary grip and retractable hook for easy storage. Its plant-based cleaning solution is a standout feature, being Safer Choice certified and eco-friendly. Performance-wise, the spray mechanism ensures even distribution of the cleaning solution, and the mop glides effortlessly across hardwood floors, leaving them spotless. While it's a fantastic choice for hardwood floors, the Bona mop is slightly less versatile for other surfaces like tile or laminate. Additionally, at $41.94, it's a mid-range option that balances cost and quality well, but doesn't offer the bells and whistles of higher-end models. If you're looking for a reliable, eco-conscious mop specifically for hardwood floors, this is a great pick. At number 2, we have the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop, the budget-friendly option in this lineup. This mop features a hands-free wringing system, thanks to its built-in spinning bucket, which eliminates the need to touch dirty water. The triangular mop head rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to reach into corners and under furniture with ease. The microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable, with each refill lasting up to 3 months. The design is simple yet effective, with a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches for comfortable use. Performance-wise, the EasyWring mop is excellent for removing dirt, grime, and bacteria with just water, making it a chemical-free cleaning solution. However, the bucket system requires more storage space, and the mop head may not be as durable as some higher-end models. This mop is perfect for those on a budget who want an efficient and easy-to-use cleaning system for hardwood floors. It's also a great option for households with pets or kids, thanks to its ability to trap hair and dust. If you're looking for affordability without sacrificing quality, the O-Cedar EasyWring is hard to beat. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop. This premium option is a powerhouse for hardwood floor cleaning, featuring a motorized spin mechanism that does the scrubbing for you. The mop comes with 6 reusable microfiber pads and 3 trial-size cleaning solutions, making it ready to tackle tough messes right out of the box. Its lightweight design and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver around furniture and baseboards. The on-demand spray feature allows you to apply cleaning solution precisely where needed, ensuring efficient stain removal without oversaturating your floors. The build quality is exceptional, with durable components that can handle regular heavy-duty use. While the price is steep at $113.29, the SpinWave offers unparalleled convenience and cleaning power, making it ideal for homeowners who want the best of the best. It's perfect for sealed hardwood floors, tile, and linoleum, and its performance justifies its premium price tag. If you're looking for a mop that combines power, ease of use, and versatility, the Bissell SpinWave is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.